It's been several days since I went rock hunting for this Augite, and I left this here to kind of dry out. And as you can see, it's got some cracks forming here in the tuff, and up here, it's very, very brittle. It's falling apart. Even this down here, I didn't cause that. That has happened from the tuff drying out, and so brittle. So brittle. I really don't think... Oh gosh, I don't know. I want to keep it as a specimen, but I don't know. I'm going to set it aside though, because I'm going to be working on the machines. If I wanted to keep it so the machine vibration will cause it to kind of fall apart. So we're going to move those over there, and what we're going to do, we're going to see how well that this Augite will take a polish. Alright, first of all, excuse my voice. It's still a little raspy. I'm still healing from getting sick. We're going to start with the 280 grit Nova wheel here on the Genie. This machine I typically save for more softer materials that might be more prone to breaking or being brittle, just because it seems to run a little bit smoother. In this material, it seems to be really hit or miss if it's going to be stable or not, and this one just might break apart, but you know, we're going to try it anyways and see what happens. So we're going to start with the 280 grit and then kind of go from there. If it stays together, we'll go on to the next wheel and so on and so forth, but first we're going to give it a try. Come on, there you go. Alrighty, so the conclusion, just going off the 1200 wheel alone, is that it does take a beautiful shine, but the material itself is very fractured, or prone to being fractured. Which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's still a very beautiful crystal and a neat specimen. But as far as being able to wear it, not so much. Now, I'm sure if there's a way to stabilize these, maybe. But as it stands right now, this is just kind of how it turned out. But again, let me know what you think. I might try a few more off camera to see if I can find one that doesn't have as many fractures, but no guarantees. Either way, it's still a really cool specimen that can go on a shelf. I just tried another crystal here on the bottom side, and it was the same result. Pretty fractured up. Took a nice shine, just a little too fractured. Again, still a cool crystal. Fractures aside, the Augite does take a very good polish. Unfortunately, it's not really good enough for making pendants or wearable jewelry, especially for the bigger crystals that seem to be more fractured up. I think the really small crystals you can probably make into some earrings or something like that, but the bigger crystals, not so much. They're more good for maybe shelf specimens. But that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and learning something new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Rock on.